Struggling with too many distractions from your phone apps? Stay tuned as we reveal 3 methods for blocking apps on Android devices to help you focus and manage your digital life better. Method 1. By Digital Wellbeing. To use this feature, simply open the Settings app of your Android device. Navigate to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Control and open it. In the App Timers item, select the app you want to block and hit Set Timer. Set the time limit and click Done. Method 2. Use Google Family Link. Google Family Link allows parents to control which apps their child can use. Open the Family Link app. Select your child. Tap Controls, then choose App Limits. Select the app you want to allow or block. Tap Block and confirm your action by tapping Done. Method 3. Try AirDroid App Blocker. For parents seeking a reliable solution to manage child's phone usage, AirDroid Parental Control stands out as an excellent option. To get started, open AirDroid Parental Control app and bind your phone with your child's phone. Then, tap Usage Limits and select App Blocker. Find and toggle on the app you want to block. Optionally, tap App Time Limits and you can add limits for specific apps. You can also block newly downloaded apps from being used by one-click the Block New Apps button. We've left the download link in the description below and you can try 3 days for free. We hope these solutions help you to block apps on an Android phone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.